Welcome back. So this is the reading notes tutorial. So we need to understand that we do reading notes, right? Because we read the textbook or the online version of the things that we found. And if you were to go to your actual schedule, and again, you can get that from if you go to the About, right there, you can click on it, the schedule right there, U.S. History Fall 2018. I already have it open, but it would be here. So if you see the R on this, it means reading. So for example, this is Chapter 1, The New World. How you would click this, you could just click like that, and it would open the link for you, and you would click like that. And what it is this is the textbook per se, if you will, that I'm going to use for U.S. History. I like it. It's called the American Yop. I know it sounds funny, but it's lovely. So you'll see on there, it goes down a bit. It's actually a pretty good read. I've enjoyed it, and it's pretty up-to-date and reflecting some of the changes we see. So I like that. That's a very good thing for us to see there. You'll see, for example, if it says, like down here, it says V through VI or 6. That's what I'm saying. If it doesn't say anything, it means read the whole entire thing. However, what we have to do is we have to do something with it. So we come back to our About there, and you'll see your U.S. History reading notes. Just like you had your class notes, you're going to have reading notes as well. So you would click on the link there. Always, because you're making a copy of, you have to make it your own. So you would come to File, make a copy. Sorry, I almost got it. Take that away, rename it yours, and put it in the file that you want, or My Drive, whatever it is, and it comes with your new one. So we'll go back to this, and if you'll notice the second slide here, it just tells you what it is. It's your job to read the assigned chapters and fill out the corresponding slides. And again, you are free to add slides. That's a typo, my apology, but you do not have to. So that's the thing in that one. Just because you only fill out one slide doesn't mean I'm going to downgrade you. However, the more you put, the more you explain yourself, the better. It tells you the format, everything. It does tell you do not copy and paste, rather try and sum up what you want in short points or sentences. What that means is don't come over here and be like, oh, man, that was a really good paragraph. I think I'll just do that because I really, really liked it. I'm sorry. And I'll come to my Chapter 1 there, and I'll, oh, yeah, that's Chapter 1. Got it. Please don't do that, okay? That does us no good. That does you no good. I've already read this. It's great, and it is good. But sum that up in very short, concise format is what we're looking at. So just be careful on that one, please. Again, we have the plagiarism policy, so let's not get into that. So just FYI. The last one, you have until the end of the mega unit cycle to complete each unit's reading notes. This is typically 4 to 6 weeks. Do not fall behind. What that means then, if we were to go to our schedule, if you notice here, we have an assessment this one, we have an assessment that one, then at the end of week 8, we have an A through C test, assessment number 3. So that's what I would call a mega unit. So basically, you have until that date, which according to our schedule is October 5th. If for some reason that changes, I will let you know, but I will always give you many weeks in advance notice if that's changing. But for right now, this first mega unit would be October 5th. Therefore, each unit we go through, you will be able to do reading notes. I'm not mandating that it is done at that particular time, but my recommendation would be you need to have it done then in that one. So, stay on it. Don't fall behind, because if you fall behind in these things, you're really going to get yourself in trouble. So if you go through here and look, here's all the different chapters. All you do is you would write your different chapter there, click the text, and the same thing if you want to add, you would just duplicate slide to add more. But this is the reading notes. You got to get on it. Don't fall behind is my recommendation. And again, re-put your name. But this will be good. Just for the 5th time, don't fall behind.